Mastering Idioms, Pulling Strings, Unraveled. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, to pull strings. Understanding idioms like this is key to mastering the nuances of English. So, let's unravel the meaning behind to pull strings and see how it's used in everyday language. To pull strings is an idiom that means to use one's influence or connections to gain an advantage, often in a somewhat secretive or behind-the-scenes manner. This phrase originates from the world of puppetry, where a puppeteer controls a puppet by pulling on its strings. In the same way, someone who pulls strings is manipulating situations to their benefit, much like a puppeteer controls a puppet. To better understand how to pull strings is used, let's look at some examples. 1. She managed to get the job because her father pulled some strings with the company's CEO. 2. Despite his lack of qualifications, he got into the university because he had someone pulling strings for him. These examples show how the phrase is often associated with gaining favors or advantages through influence. A common misconception is that pulling strings always involves negative or unethical actions. While it can have such connotations, it's not always the case. Sometimes, it simply refers to leveraging legitimate connections or influence to achieve a goal. Understanding synonyms can deepen your comprehension of to pull strings. Similar phrases include wielding influence, calling in favors, making use of contacts. Each of these carries a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, to pull strings, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, idioms are a vital part of language learning, adding color and depth to your communication skills. Keep exploring and embracing these expressions, and you'll find yourself becoming more and more fluent in English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.